This video will show you how to add an admin to a Facebook page using the updated page experience in 2026. So first of all, you need to go ahead, open your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, log into your account, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and switch your Facebook profile to your page profile. Now once you've done that, you need to again tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and go to Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. From this page, you need to scroll all the way down and there you'll see the section of Audience and Visibility. Go ahead and tap on Page Setup option, that is between Stories and Reels. Here you'll get the option of Page Access. Go ahead and tap on that. Now under the people with Facebook access, go ahead and tap on Add New. Enter the name or the email of the person you want to make an admin, and to give them full admin privileges, you need to select Full Control. The new admin will have the access to manage your page. So this change happens instantly and works the same way on your phone and your computer as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.